Hello everyone, welcome to my new video where I'm going to share so many art supplies that I bought recently from Amazon. They all came in different packages, so I've been putting them all together to make the video, and I can't wait to open all of them because some of the things are like an artist's dream. So let's start with the first one, and if I'm not wrong, it is something I have been waiting for so long. Yeah, that's right. It is the set of 56 gouache paints. And I got it from Amazon for $95 because some deal was going on at that time. This is very inspiring. The only natural talent an artist has is a desire to create. And on the back, there is a cool picture to paint with these paints. And they have given this very nice color chart with it. It's a bit tight to take out from this side. Let's try from the other side. It's a pretty bronze color. Can't wait to unbox it completely and start using them. Let's move to our second package. And it's the round corner punch that I needed for a very long time. Time to open the third package. Yay! And it's the long-awaited watercolor metallic paint in various shades of gold. I have been watching so many watercolor paintings in which they have used these metallic colors in gold and rose gold, and I have been waiting to try these colors. These metallic watercolors come in different bundles, but I chose this set of 6 called Vintage. It has Tibet gold, moon gold, and bronze, along with blushing hues of rose and pink. And the best part is it can be used on various medium, including paper, wood, and gypsum. And here we go with our next package. It's the battery operated eraser that I believe would be quite useful in pencil drawings. Now the next package. Another big buy of this shopping spree. I thought it was time to invest in some good watercolors, so I went with these Winsor and Newton 45 half pans. It is a large set containing 45 Cotman half pans covering the full range of colors. That's the main reason I bought this one. All these shades of different colors make me so happy. It has two half pans of Chinese white. Now let's see what's in this box. First one is double-sided tape runner, which is extra long and it's kind of permanent. Next is the set of these two mechanical pencils with some erasers and the lead included. This is the masking fluid from Winsor and Newton that I'm planning to use in my watercolor paintings. And last but not least, the set of gel pens, and it has white, gold and silver gel pens. It has 8 pieces in which 4 are white gel pens, 2 are silver and 2 are gold. The white gel pen that I got with Sakura Pigma Micron was very thin, so I bought these ones which are 0.8 mm. Let's try them on this black scrap paper. It's perfect. It's quite smooth while writing. Let's try this silver gel pen. It's nice, but it looks more like the white one, or you can say a little bit grayish, on the grayish side. It does have a little bit of shine in it, but it's not visible in video. Now let's try the golden gel pen. Again, it's quite smooth to write and it does have a bit of shining in it, which is again not visible in the video. But if I compare it with my metallic golden pen, it seems a bit less golden, or you can say it has less golden pigments in it. And I just noticed that this masking fluid has a yellow concentrate on one side. So I tried to mix it up and shake the bottle a few times. But I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. Time to open the next box. And it's the correction pen in the set of 3, which we need so many times in our paintings. I also want to share these dual tip brush pens from Ohuhu that I bought a month ago. And this is the package it came in with another thing that I'm going to show you. It's a set of 168 graphic markers. And they all are arranged in a strong base stand. These are twin markers with broad and fine tips. And there's also a dual tip black pen and a white gel pen with these markers. Now back to these Ohuhu art markers that I got from Amazon for $18. Their brush tip will be very handy in bullet journaling. Even though I need to practice for my brush calligraphy, I like its fine tip also. Now let's test this round corner punch. It looks very strong and sturdy, and it has got 3 settings: large, medium and small. For me, it was a huge collection of art supplies that I bought this time, and I will put the link for all these in the description below in case you wanna check them out, and I will see you in the next video.